ഈ വെതർ റിപ്പോർട്ട് ഒന്നും തീർക്കണം. The effects of the hurricane was seen all across the town. Effects അല്ലേ? effects. ഇനി തെറ്റിയില്ല. The debris from the town affected people's commute. Affected അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ affected ആണ്. Oh my god, this is so confusing.
Looks like someone's confused, and I don't blame them, because effect and effect almost sounds the same, doesn't it? But they're not the same. Let us explain.
Effect is both a noun and a verb, but its use as a noun is mostly limited to the field of psychology. But the verb affect is used commonly to mean to have an influence on something. For example, the weather affected my mood. The weather had an effect on my mood. While effect with an A means to have an influence on something, effect with an E is used to describe that influence. For example, you could say, the Mets had no effect on me. Effect can also be used as a verb, which means to cause something. You could say, effect change, thus being effective.
And we hope you understood.
Bye!